going on, guys? Hope you all are doing all right. So just wanted to briefly touch on a couple things here. If you're wondering why I don't have my halos in, I sold my halos, and this started off a few months ago when I really wanted to get some clear lights. So yeah, that's what the purpose of today's video is going to be. I'm going to put in some clear halos for this car. I got rid of the black housing. I just realized OEM, or just the clear crystal look of the original headlights, especially if you're going for any other aftermarket ones for this car, really make this car stand out more. So my halos are sold to another fellow GS owner, and I wanted to put in my OEM ones for the time being, and they don't look too bad. But today we're gonna put in the clear halos, and I'm excited to see how this is gonna be. Now, if you guys watched the previous video, you know towards the end I did say that there was like a surprise I was gonna put for this car pretty soon, and I ordered that in early July, and I thought it was gonna come in early August. That's what it first said, but it's not gonna be here until late August. So I wanted that to be this video, but in the meantime I got the headlights, and you know, they just came before, you know, the surprise. But you guys could already tell what the next thing is going to be. That's the biggest end right there. And also, if I can also get my front bumper redone around the same time I get the side skirts, that will be amazing. So yeah, the next thing I'm going to be doing for this car are side skirts and other maintenance and stuff like that too, and wheels and stuff like that. But side skirts, get the front bumper redone, it's going to be awesome. So yeah, I know it's raining a bit. It's Maryland. Well, at least now it's been raining nonstop for the past day. Yesterday was crazy, but it shouldn't be that bad this morning. So we're gonna pop open the hood, take off the bumper. I already have a few of the screws and bolts taken off already, so it shouldn't be hard to get the front bumper and the lights out. If you don't know how to get the front bumper out and the headlights for this car, I have a video. I'll link it in the description for you guys. I did it a while back when I had my not my clear halos, my black housing for those halos. So if you guys wanted to know, that's how it is. I'm gonna set a time lapse, and we're gonna take off the front bumper and the headlights and put on the new ones. So let's get to it.
I ain't one to complain, but there's things in the game.
And what's your name?
Consequences type, burn like flames.
Well, why's that?
American dream, they got the ghetto kid in the fiend.
Don't stress that, cause it's not in your bloodstream. Your whole being comes from greatness to remember. J-Song got you caught in the storms of December, and brothers on the block packing knives like September. Cheesy situation, girls' pockets all slender.
If I be on the avenue where they be acting brand new, I'm splurging on these Reebok joints for shorty boo.
All of a sudden, I saw these two kids frontin', talking out their joints, but they wasn't saying nothing. My hand was on my coolie, they was acting unruly.
Yo, say word.
Yo, word up, yo, I was tight caught up, but I swallowed my pride to let that nonsense ride. Because the positive, it seems that negative.
Alright, as you just saw, we got off the bumper and the headlights. Wasn't that difficult at all. I've done this like a million times. Over exaggerating that number, but I've done it a few times. Now, time to show you what the new headlights look like. And I'll do a comparison to the old ones. They're a bit foggy, but it's not that bad. They still look good, but probably not as good as these clears right here. Alright, so these are just one of the two I have, well, the other one I have in the car right now, but just look at the difference. Look at the difference. I have a couple people that can help me clear this out, especially my own homies, but I wanted to really put these on though. So I'll probably eventually get those clear, just to refresh them, because I plan on keeping them forever, to be honest, because it's the original part of this car. But that looks way better than the black housing. And you know what would look way better? This on the car. So let me get the other one. I'll set another lapse, and you're gonna see me put this on, and can't wait to see how this is gonna look with the clear housing. I cannot wait. So beautiful. It's literally like glass. This is exactly why I love the clear housing for the front of the GS. It really adds a lot of character to the car. It's beautiful. in just now, and I noticed for the right side the fitment is a little bit different. It's a little bit weird. Not all the bolts really line up correctly, and I didn't even have that issue for my black housing ones I used to have. But I mean, it is what it is. It still fits pretty well. There's really no gaps at all. It's only where the bolts line up from this part and this part, so that one should just be good enough for now. I'll probably figure it out some other time. But yeah, that looks really nice.
Your basket when I take the steps, Cinemax and sex. I might finger roll her lips, thumbing through the counterfeits. I'm trained to go, Master Piccolo, say you ain't saying shit. Might give your wife hit a pipe for the night, get her right short, can't nobody do it.
It has been a few hours since I've had the headlights in, and I can tell you, huge improvement. Absolutely. It's just, I cannot get over how clean it looks. It's almost too good to be true. Quick update on the GS. I have to do my ball joints again because they went out, not completely, but they're starting to creak. So under a year, I have to do my ball joints again. So I have to replace those within a few days because I don't want any catastrophic, event to ever happen. And also, I got some new taillights for the middle. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but I sold these as well. I didn't tell you until now, but I sold these and I got the red ones because I couldn't find a separate pair. But now that they finally match, I do kind of miss the black I used to have, but it just matches so well. But eventually I might either get some dancing ones or clears, who knows. But I like the entire look of this rear, like how the lights look, just the red, like it has a lot of color. I don't really need a lot going on, so I just wanted it to be simple and matching, and I'm satisfied, can't complain. It looks nice. Originally, when I was thinking about getting halos or just in general new headlights for the car many months ago, around October like 2023, I was going to get the clear version if I can remember, but the reason why I got the black one is because I think I saw a lot of people having issues with it yellowing a lot for this particular one, and I thought the ring wasn't going to be LED. I thought it was halogen, but I thought wrong. So for about a few months now, I've thought about getting these headlights again, or the same ones I've had before, but just with the clear housing as you see right now. The only reason why I held off of that is only because I wanted to get a lot of the things that I haven't done to the car, like the bumper, I guess, to get the fitment a little bit better, new wheels, you get the picture. So I wanted to hold off the headlights and something like, I guess, minor for, later on. And now was the time. So glad I got to put these on, and they look, I can't really give you a good scale, but they look a lot better than the black housing. I still miss the black housing though, but I really like these a lot. But we're making good progress with the GS. Stay tuned for the next video if you want to stick around. Definitely, I'm going to have that video up with the part that I generally do one on this car for the video that should have been this video, but it takes a while for parts to come in. So next video, you should more than likely see side skirts, and if it's not, probably will be something else, but the next detailed video will be side skirts. And if I can get my front bumper done and completely clean, this car will be absolutely pretty much finished. Not yet, but as of how everything is coming together, it will be pretty much done as of now. So next video, definitely gonna do the side skirts, and cannot wait for that. Just a few more weeks. Thank you guys for watching another detailed video of mine. You guys got to see the headlights, and just piece by piece putting this car together in each and every single video I try to make as best as possible in detailed fashion in my own way. So appreciate you guys for watching. We're going to continue to grow. We're going to continue to build this car. We're going to continue to have a good life and stay blessed. So peace out, guys. See you guys in the next one, and take care.
I think I might be happy.
With my wrist diamonds gon' flick, with my wrist diamonds gon' flick.
Happy. Happy. Happy.
With my wrist diamonds gon' flick, with my wrist diamonds gon'